Welcome to Canada International Student Magazine. Over the past couple of years, Canada has become a hotspot for international students to pursue their education. Canada is experiencing a significant increase in international students seeking degrees in Canada, and it is no easy task for Canadian institutions to cope with a large number of international students. The present-day leader of Seneca College South Asia team, Prashant Srivastava, has a strong background in international business development. Let us talk to Mr. Prashant, who is the Director of Business Development and Partnerships, South Asia in Seneca College. Hi Prashant, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Satya, and thank you for the opportunity to interact with you and to reach out to your audience.
We are so glad to have you with us today in our student magazine. Prashant, you have worked for several top-notch institutes in North America in the global international recruitment, such as Vancouver Island University and New York Institute of Technology, University of California, and now in Seneca College. Could you share your experience of developing and streamlining international recruitment channels from various markets?
Thank you, Satya, for this question. And let me take you back in 2006 at Vancouver Island University, where I started my journey in the field of international education. And I was given this exciting offer to open the first overseas office of Vancouver Island University in India. The mandate was to build educational ties with India and recruit students to study at VIU. So I went back to India upon completing my studies at Vancouver Island University, and then opened this Vancouver Island University Center for Canadian Education in New Delhi in 2007. After opening this center, I traveled across India from Punjab to Gujarat, Kerala to Kolkata, from Maharashtra to Andhra Pradesh to meet educational partners, students and parents to promote Canadian education and VIU's educational offering. So this gave me an opportunity to learn more about India's diversity and multiculturalism, which synergizes so much with Canadian ethos of diversity and inclusion. I established agency network for VIU in South Asia and MOUs with several Indian universities. In summer 2010, I moved back to Vancouver and started working for New York Institute of Technology, Vancouver campus. Here, the mandate was a bit different, and I was asked to create a recruitment plan for NYIT Vancouver campus. So this involved attending recruitment events at local universities, Simon Fraser University, University of British Columbia, and also to establish partnerships with language schools and colleges in British Columbia. Here, I truly enjoyed working in downtown Vancouver and collaborating with NYIT's campuses in New York and the Middle East. Then in 2012, I got an exciting opportunity to work in the US at University of California, Riverside. And as you know, the University of California system is the largest public education system in the world. I was really thrilled to be there, and I worked there for a couple of years, developing international marketing strategies for the important markets of Middle East, South Asia, and Canada. Here, the recruitment channels include forging relations with foreign missions based in Washington, D.C. to attract sponsored students to study at UCR. I also work closely with the US embassies and US Department of Commerce to connect with educational partners in Middle East and South Asia. This involved my recruitment trips to the Middle East and South Asia, visiting US embassies, Education USA offices, and attending the education fairs and events throughout the region. However, in 2014, due to my personal reasons, I decided to move back to Canada and started working at Seneca College. And this was like coming back with the US experience to live and work in Canada. At Seneca, under the leadership of President David Agnew, I was able to initiate exciting training projects for Indian civil servants. And until pre-COVID, so far, we organized training programs for over 350 Indian government officials. And in addition to these training projects and partnerships, we expanded our recruitment portfolio in South Asia. And currently, I'm working with a team of business development managers where I oversee the recruitment of South Asian students at Seneca. We are working with 100 plus recruitment and educational partners in South Asia. We work within the South Asian community in GTA, and also we maintain close relationship with the consulates of India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Pakistan in Toronto. So this has been, I would say in brief, actually, my journey of international education and how I have worked in my different roles, managing the international recruitment and also developing the recruitment channels for various markets.
Wow, that's quite a journey.